Hello guys, how has it been making money? Time to stop worrying because I got you. I want to show you how to make money from dropshipping. It's time you start making money from dropshipping. People are doing this, so why don't I show you how you can get started and make fortunes of this? Before you get started on dropshipping, you need to know what exactly it is. You don't want to get into something you don't understand vividly. Funny enough, even 18-year-old kids in countries such as Canada, UK, United States, and Kenya are doing it. I just mentioned a few, doesn't mean those are the only ones. Dropshipping in simple terms is where you, as the middleman or woman, sets up an online store or shop where people can make orders of items you have displayed. Note that when I say display, I don't actually mean you have the item somewhere in a physical warehouse. No, what I mean is get photos of items that you want to sell from a supplier, then upload them and wait for the orders. So when the orders are placed, you contact the supplier and let them know of the specifics of the order, and then they ship these goods to the customer. This works perfect for goods in bulk. I always like to give an example. So here is one. Let's say you decide to try out the fashion niche for women beauty products. So if you already set up with your online store, you should display products using the neatest and clearest images you can find. Then under description of the goods, state that you're selling like 1,000 pieces of the product. Customers looking to resell this product in retail will make orders and purchase the item. So here's the catch. You have your supplier, right? Make arrangements with them such that if they are selling this product for $1, then they should allow you to sell it for $1.2 so that you can make 2 cents off each item for every order you present to them. You'll have made 2 cents times 1,000 items, which is $200, without having to buy the products yourself and resell, and also without having to ship the goods yourself. You need zero capital to get started. Just go to Google or any search engine that you know and search for Shopify. Then sign up and set up a store. They give you a 1 month free subscription, so utilize it well. Leave a comment, hit the share and subscription button, then go get started on dropshipping and live off your dreams. Bye, see you in the next video.